Good morning, this is David from Big Tree Maple. We're doing a little video here of our GMC Topkick tanker truck that we have for sale. First thing is, the inspection is good until May of 23. It had 28,286 miles at the time of inspection. Red in color. Point this out. This turn signal is loose. It's held on with electrical tape. You can see we have vinyl lettering on the truck. That's just vinyl that would come off. The fire department where we got it had lettering. 11 R22.5 tires. These are Roadmaster. They were purchased new, designed by Cooper Tire, and you can see they're in like new condition. So moving down the truck, it is gas. Storage compartment here. We have some hoses, which we obviously keep. Frame of the truck, clean. 11R22.5 drives. They're recapped. All four match. Spring suspension. I'm going to try to climb up here one-handed and give a look at the tank. We have it open. Stainless steel milk tank. Looking inside it. Yeah, that's a stain. Tank hasn't been used in a month or so. This truck has actually been sitting here for a month. Hasn't been started. So you'll see the first cold start over a month. Going to the back, we have two reverse lights. I believe they're halogen, maybe LED, I don't know, but they work really good. Backing in dark places. Open the back compartment here. Obviously our pump stays, but it's got a milk style valve, 2-inch quick coupler outlet, and we load the truck right here. We have a male 2-inch quick coupler valve, milk hose into the top of the truck. Excuse me. Walking around. Again, matching recap drives. Another ladder on this side. Step. Open the thing. We'll give you a look at, there's quite a lot of information here. I don't know if you'd be able to read any of it. All the specs of the truck. Interior seat, there's no rips. Oh, got a water check in there. That's nice. Hey Dad, here's a check. There's that check. 6-speed Spicer transmission. We have put a Bluetooth radio in it. Oh, it's 4. I'm sorry. There's the mileage. Open the hood. Open the hood. 427 gas engine. It is fuel injected. Pull the dipstick.
Throttle body injection.
So there's the oil. I can't see through my phone, but it is full. Looks good. Let's see if it'll start. I know it will. Here to look at this side of the motor. There's some information on that. Yeah, it hasn't started in a month. Go ahead and start it. So you're going to see a cold start. First one in a month. The old girl's always started for us. Never been an issue at all. Hold so I can see the gauges there.
Current mileage is 28,995. I gotta let it build the air up.
We'll get a look at the outside here while it's running. Shut the hood. You can see the exhaust, that is steam, that is not smoke. As I said, the truck's been sitting here about a month. Probably fogged my phone with the steam. We'll shut the back compartment. We're going to take it for a drive here. Hey! Let's see some lights through the left turn signal. Front one works. Running lights on. Running light. Left turn signal. Running light. Right turn signal. Right turn signal. Right turn signal. Let's see the reverse lights. Reverse. Okay. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Okay, turn the running lights off. There's one trick to make the reverse lights come on. You need to turn the running lights down to at least park or off. Don't ask me why, that's just the way it is, but you can see all the reverse lights work. Okay, put it in neutral. 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 Headlights. Turn the headlights on. No, the whole way. You got the parking lights on. Okay, now they're on. Let's see high beams. Low beams, high beams. Okay, everything works. You have area. Okay, I'm gonna get in. We'll go for a little ride. Okay, the governor just kicked out.
Air dryer.
Yeah, air dryer. Show them the gauges and stuff now that it's had a chance to run. Probably not warmed up yet.
And it's not warmed up, but it's air's built right up to 120. The truck does have an automatic air dryer on it. It releases air when it hits 100 pounds.
Okay, so anytime you're ready to go. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can unfog my phone or something. Damn thing. It's raining here. Of course it's raining. Okay, we're ready. So you're in first gear, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, just go out and go right and then go down the road, shift through all the gears. In second gear right now. Wipers work. We've got their winter type wipers on there. They're in good shape. Turn the defroster up one click. See, it's got a 3-speed fan on high, medium, low. Turn it back up to high. It's got the old GMC thing. It does have air conditioning, but the air conditioning doesn't work. I mean, it works. It's not charged, so we've never tried to do anything with it. So it's there, but it doesn't blow cold air. How about that for an answer? Okay, second gear. Third. Truck's not warm yet. Fourth. Fifth. Fifth gear, we're doing 25 to 30 mile an hour. Got one more shift here. Sixth gear. 6 gears, 35, 40 mile an hour. This truck runs really good. 45 mile an hour, 50. It's not a fast truck, but it does do the job. So we're doing 45 mile an hour and 2,800 RPM.
Yeah, about 3,000.
Okay.
We can, we'll get her up to 50.
We're going to go around the curve here. Then there's a straight stretch road in. And as far as roads go, this county road is about the worst one around. It's a bumpy road. But to give you an idea of how the truck rides. Sounds good.
Okay, we're going to hit 50 mile an hour down through here. $50 mile an hour and about 3,300 RPMs.
On a bumpy county road. I'm trying to hold my phone as steady as possible, but this road is a terrible road. So we have it on defrost, and it is really warm. I mean, it blows warm air. So the heater and the defroster work really well. But like I said, the air conditioner, it's there. Probably needs charged or whatever. We've never done a thing to that. We've owned this truck, what, 5-6 years probably?
Yeah, I think so.
It had about 12,000 miles on it when we bought it. We've had very little trouble with it.
Put a new clutch in it.
Yeah, and that was because the firemen had wore it out. Bunch of cowboys. Okay, well, I think that's a pretty good video, isn't it? Okay, well, hopefully you saw what you need to see.